Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to share some tips on how to train for a marathon and improve your running performance. Whether you're a seasoned runner or a beginner, these tips will help you get ready for race day and reach your running goals. So, let's get started. Tip number 1, start slow and build your endurance. If you're new to running, it's essential to start slowly and gradually increase your distance and pace. This will help you avoid injury and build your endurance over time. Start with short, easy runs and gradually increase your mileage by no more than 10% each week. This will help you build a solid foundation for your marathon training. Tip number 2, set realistic goals. Before you start your marathon training, it's important to set realistic goals. Whether you're aiming to finish your first marathon or beat your personal best, make sure your goals are achievable and realistic based on your fitness level, training time, and experience. Setting unrealistic goals can lead to disappointment and frustration. Tip number 3, cross-train. Cross-training is an excellent way to complement your running and prevent injury. Incorporate strength training, yoga, or cycling into your routine to build strength, flexibility, and balance. Cross-training can also help prevent overuse injuries and keep you motivated by adding variety to your training. Tip number 4, listen to your body. Listening to your body is essential during marathon training. If you're feeling tired, sore, or fatigued, it's essential to rest and recover. Overtraining can lead to injury and burnout, so make sure to listen to your body and adjust your training accordingly. Tip number 5, fuel your body. Fueling your body with the right nutrients is essential for marathon training. Make sure to eat a balanced diet rich in carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats. Fuel up with complex carbohydrates before your long runs, and replenish with protein and carbohydrates after your workouts. Hydration is also critical, so make sure to drink plenty of water and electrolytes before, during, and after your runs. Tip number 6, get enough rest and sleep. Rest and recovery are just as important as training itself. Make sure to get enough sleep and rest between your runs to allow your body to recover and rebuild. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night and take rest days as needed to prevent burnout and injury. Conclusion. So those are my top tips for marathon training and improving your running performance. Remember to start slowly, set realistic goals, cross-train, listen to your body, fuel your body, and get enough rest and sleep. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to achieving your running goals and crossing that finish line. Thanks for watching, and happy training!